1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a Haas Cnc drilling and tapping center, model DT-1, serial number 1105030. This machine was new in 2013 and it is running. It has a 12,000 RPM spindle. You have 20 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 15.5 of Z. They have BT-30 spindles. You have a side mount tool changer. 3,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. You have a 20 tool automatic tool changer. 13,000. 8,000 RPM. 10,000 RPM. Okay, the machine does have whips. Does not have the touch setter or the probe, but you are equipped with whips. You see the Brennan Shaw eye there. He's right now simulating a tool change. The machine also has a Midico pallet changer, with each pallet changer having its own Haas HRT 160 SP rotary table tied into an indexer. He's running the Z-axis down. That's your Y. And your X. Now, underneath the indexer is a T-slotted 26 by 15 inch table. Just going to go to the indexer box and show you an index. Great. Now we're going to do
this one too.
The other one. So we don't have the pallet changer set up, but we do have the indexer turned on. So he's indexing the turret, indexing the table. And if you were set up for production, you'd be able to switch the pallets from one to the other and still have the indexer programmed. Great. Thank you for watching our video.